I'm a procurement head managing a 5-ship-build program. At any point, I have over 70 active procurement records, all tracked across email threads and spreadsheets. The question I ask every morning is the same: what is actually on track, and what is about to cause a problem?
Enterprise procurement runs on email. Every delay is discovered too late. elsai Procurement Tracking, AI-powered procurement intelligence platform. Your existing sources feed in. The intelligence engine acts, you confirm. Nothing changes without you. elsai Procurement Tracking. Every procurement, every ship, every program. One view. Program, ship, equipment. 3 levels, 15 statuses, always live. Supplier responds by email. System detects, proposes the update. Procurement confirms. Done. TNC closes, report generated. PNC closes, file note compiled. Hours, not days. Right alert, right person, right action. Human confirms, program moves forward. 1,000 plus materials per ship, tracked. Both gates must be green before build begins. Every decision logged, every change attributed. Inspection ready, always. Not a new process. Visibility where there was none. Every procurement tracked, every delay caught early, every decision auditable. Procurement tracking, faster procurement cycles, reduced manufacturing risk, complete audit readiness.